Hi, my name is Jason Courtney, president of Helitech Civil Construction, a CNC foundations company. Helitech Civil is a geotechnical subcontracting company that specializes in different ground improvement solutions and systems. So let's talk about wind turbine basics. Wind turbines are most often mounted on towers that can be 80 meters or more in height. The blades can exceed 45 meters in length. The wind blows against the blades, causing them to rotate to generate power. But it also blows against the generator housing and the tower. This causes the tower to want to tilt, and the foundation must resist this and be stiff enough to keep the tower from overturning when acted upon by wind or seismic forces. Foundation costs can vary by 100% or more where poor soil conditions are encountered, and selecting a suitable foundation system, such as ground improvement, way in advance of construction can save the project owner substantial time and money. So wind turbine foundations are critical to the success of each project and are as varied as the earth conditions and types of structures being supported. That's where CNC Foundations and our specialized wind energy design team comes in. At Helitech Civil Construction, we pride ourselves on great designs. To do those great designs, we have to have the best geotechnical engineers. So today I have Alec, one of our geotechnical engineers. So Alec, what are we doing today?
Well, Jason, today we're in the great state of Texas on a wind farm project where our certified rig operators, as you can see behind me, are installing vibratory stone columns through soft clays and loose sands up to 18 feet below grade at multiple turbine locations.
What is so unique about this particular ground improvement project that we're doing?
Well, this project site is several square miles, but the soil conditions are pretty consistent. There's about 10 foot of clay underlain with medium, dense, and loose sands. Also, being so close to the Gulf of Mexico, we have extremely high water table, which makes any over excavation very problematic. So by installing vibratory stone column system, this allows to little to no over excavation required by the general contractor, thus saving the project time and money.
On this particular project, what are the actual vibratory stone columns actually doing for these big wind turbine bases?
Well, Jason, the vibratory stone columns will be controlling the total and the differential settlements across the foundation width. There's large overturning moments that occur due to wind forces or seismic forces. So by controlling that differential settlement, we allow the wind turbines to perform as expected long term.
What is so unique about wind turbine foundations versus large building foundations?
Well, Jason, wind turbine foundations are typically 8 to 12 feet below grade. And sometimes the soil at that depth is not appropriate to support the foundation loads without a proper ground improvement support system.
With so many deep foundation choices in the marketplace, why is ground improvement chosen over all the other deep foundation systems?
Well, on wind farms in particular, the foundations are several feet below grade. Because of that, vibratory stone columns are much quicker and more cost-effective from a schedule standpoint, all the way from installing the stone columns to digging and pouring the foundation system. Stone columns also allows for the foundation soils to be used to resist friction in lateral loads, whereas a deep foundation, a structural system, would have to be designed to resist those lateral loads and overturning moments. Because of that, the stone columns are usually a much more cost-effective approach than a deep foundation for a wind farm project.
So at Helitech Civil Construction, we have created a unique quality control plan. Alec, can you tell us a little bit about that quality control plan?
So our closeout document process includes providing the client with our VSC installation logs, the test results, and the as-built drawings within 48 hours. Additionally, it gives the client the peace of mind knowing that all the VSC logs and testing reports have been reviewed and approved by Helitech's engineering department before foundation construction commences.
That's awesome. Thank you, Alec.